Okay, so this is a short tutorial how to configure network. First of all, we have to check computer name of your device. Right click on this PC shortcut and choose properties. So we need to check computer name and work group. They have to be the same on all of your devices, laptops or computers. If they aren't, you have to click change settings and here button change. And you have to uh, write correct values here. So if you have three computers, they can be computer 01, 02, 03 or something else. The main things they think they have to be different. And work group uh, has to be the same. You can name it like, I don't know, office or network, or leave how it is in Windows by default, work group. Uh, okay, this was the first uh, thing what we have to check and change if we need it. The second one, we have to open uh, network and internet settings by clicking right mouse and choose open network and internet settings. And now we have to open sharing options. In sharing options, we have to check these values. Private uh, have to be turned on network discovery and turn on file and printer sharing. Then we are going to guest and public networks. Here we have to check turn on network discovery and turn on file and printer sharing. And go down, we open all networks, check turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files. Uh, Here we don't change anything, and here we have to check turn off password protected sharing for share with your files between your devices in your network. So after all check flags, we have to save changes. Okay. And the last one, we have to manage our network connection on each device. Uh, we have to open Ethernet and change adapter option. Okay, we have a new window. Here we have to find out Ethernet a local area connection. I don't know how to they will named on your devices, but when we choose one of them, we have to right click and choose properties. In this window, we have to choose IP version 4 and then click properties again. In this window, we have to use the following IP addresses, and here we have to write the next values: 192, 168, 0, and I don't know, it can be 10. And then one click on the field subnet mask, and it will filled automatically, so you don't have to change anything here. And for our small network without internet, we don't have to make any changes here. So we can only press OK button, and that's all. As you will have 2, 3, or 4 computers on each of them, you have to make these changes, but on computer, I don't know, the second computer, you have to write here not 10, 11, and okay, on the third laptop, whatever, or server, you have to change this value to 12. So in your local area will be 3 PCs with IP addresses in the end: 10, 11, and 12. After that, you have to connect your devices between each other via patch cords and switch what you have bought a while time ago. So after you connected all devices in one local area, you can check the network. How can you do it? You can ping your partner in the network. How do you do this? You can right click on start menu and choose run. Then type cmd, and in new window you can type ping 192.168.0.12 minus t, or you can without minus t, because it means to ping for all time, but I'll break it. So and I just pinged my local address, but you will have, if you made correct settings on all of your devices, you will, if you will ping dot 10 in the end, you will see reply from another PC. Now I have just only one laptop in my network, so I can can't discover another PC and get reply from it, but you will. Uh, that's all. That's all for manage your small network.